If you are thinking of buying, a Tokunbo, and you can comfortably buy a Tokunbo, you can actually make that switch.
Because we believe that the maintenance and the after sales of the car is the key.
Some think it's an Indian brand, but it's actually a Japanese brand.
With an after-sales team focused solely on supporting you for life, Suzuki by CFAO ensures your vehicle stays at peak performance always. But how exactly do they do this?
In Suzuki by CFAO, we offer full service support, service maintenance, both electrical and mechanical repairs. We have the panel section, that is the body work. We have the painting section, and we have the workshop on wheel, where we offer services like meeting customers in their location to carry out unnecessary repairs. We have the front reception where we welcome customers and receive the vehicle. First of all, we have to protect the customer's property, that is the vehicle, like covering the seat cover. Take a record of customers' complaint. After that, inspect the vehicle if everything necessary is in place, and then open a job order. Then from there, from the reception, the vehicle will be taken to the workshop for check by the technician. A quote or estimate will be prepared and sent to the customer. After approval, work will be carried out on the vehicle and sent to car wash. From car wash, the vehicle will go to the quality. We have a quality control department where the vehicle will go and check the quality of the cleanness of the vehicle and also the repair carried out. And after that, the vehicle will be sent back to the front reception where the service advisors will release the vehicle, deliver the vehicle to the customer. After that, follow up to have the satisfaction of the customer. This process is estimated for 1 hour. If it's service, 1 hour. If it's more than service, there are some service repairs that might take up to 2 hours. You book appointment. A code will be generated and sent to you for your approval. Immediately you approve or make payment, we proceed to your location where we carried out this service or the repair. The workshop of wheel is equipped with all necessary equipment and tools that you need, including auto lifts that can lift your vehicle to any standard for the technician to work on it. You can also carry out wheel balance and alignment in your location. Inside the workshop on wheel, there is car wash inside the workshop on wheel when the car will be washed immediately after completion of the repair or service. The location does not affect costing because at this point, we are to meet up with all our customers and make sure that our customers are satisfied. There are some customers that due to work or some schedule, they may not be able to meet up to this location. So we want them to know that Suzuki is available to attend to them wherever they are with the same cost. We service all Suzuki brand. As you can see, we have trained technicians that train to carry out repair for all brands and deliver whether old or new vehicle. So this is our warehouse where we have the genuine Suzuki spare parts.
I don't carry body to Suzuki, better. Come see where they do better for people. They say what you have to make an account chop out, 75% discount.